Hello, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey. I hope that you're doing great today and having lots of fun and have great plans. How about that? It is time to do our morning makeup and we are going to hop right in. So say hello whenever you hop in. Leave me a comment down in the comment box. Let me know if these tips are helpful to you. If you want more information about them, let me know. My hair, it is something. Good morning. Hi, how are y'all? Say hello. Let me know your hair. Okay, so we've got the hair pulled back, kind of. I have my hair, it's growing quick. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. Can't decide. Okay, so we've already done the morning skincare. Of course, you know that about that vitamin C serum. It's going to help fill in those fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps with those deep pores if you've got pores. Belif Aqua Balm, going to help balance that pH level, get rid of those wrinkles. And you know, I think I had a question the other day. Depuffing eye serum for the eyes, and then my moisture balm over that, because these eyes, something. Somebody asked me the other day, do you really need to use skincare every day? I mean, is it going to stop wrinkles? Yes, it's going to. Because your body, as you age, begins to lose some of the properties that keep your skin elastic. And so that's what skincare is designed for. It's designed to put that elasticity back into your skin, keep it plump. And over time, using it consecutively, can help get rid of acne, can keep your pH levels moisturized and balanced. So yes, skincare does help. No, you don't have to use 50 steps like I do, but have a good AM and a good PM, and that should get you on the road. I like it. I like skincare. Okay, that was our cushion primer. Can you tell it's already given a little glow? Now, I do recommend that you go in with a serum because a serum is really where it's at as far as doing damage control. If you've got the wrinkles and all of that stuff going on, you want to do the serum because that is treating those things. Okay, Cashmere Complexion Concealer in Matcha. Watch this. I'm going to do a little triangle. Good morning, Charlene. How are you, love? Do you have great plans today? Lots of things you're doing? Okay. Hit this redness. That little redness right there. I did a scrub this morning, so we have a little bit of added redness. That's okay. We can cover it up. It's okay. Ready? All right, so take that ring finger and blend. Blend. And you're not going to notice I've got a little bit of a wider circle underneath. I'm just kind of patting it in. I love that concealer. It is 24-hour wear. It's going to stay with me all day long. Okay, Cashmere Complexion and Buttercream Foundation, because this girl is getting a little bit of sun. I don't know about you guys, but I walked outside yesterday. That was huge. It's so freaking hot in Texas. I'm like, who wants to sit outside for prolonged periods of time? I've always respected those moms who take their kids to the pool and they sit out of the pool and read a book while their kids play. I'm like, no, I'm getting in this pool with you guys. Okay, too stinking hot to sit outside in the sun and sunbake. Just can't do it. Maybe it's the fair complexion. I don't know. Cleaning today. Oh, yay. Got to get those chores done. I have a system for you. So my system for keeping my house clean. Every day of the week I have a different chore. So one day is bathrooms. Monday is my bathroom day. I do all my toilets and clean all my bathrooms. Tuesday is dusting and making sure that, all your cabinets are wiped down, your baseboards, all that. Wednesday is floors. Do all my floors on Wednesdays. Go make sure that I've mopped them and all that stuff. Usually I have to sweep because we live in the country. or I have one of those little, what's it called? Those little I bought things, and I run it every day, but really doing good clean floors on Wednesdays. Thursdays is sheets, changing all the sheets on the house. Fridays, what's it, Friday, laundry day. And sometimes with my boys, I have to do laundry. We have to do laundry throughout the week, like a load a day or something. And then Saturday and Sunday, you can rest. So that's just a tip. It might be something that's helpful for you. It's been helpful for me because I found myself like trying to cram it all in on one day, and then I couldn't get other things done. So I developed my system. I put it on my icebox, and I stuck to it for a very long time that way. And then once I memorized it, I didn't have to have it anymore. And of course, if you have to leave or go somewhere, that is going to take one of your days, so you got to make it up somewhere. But it helps. Maybe it's helpful for you. Tattoo Station, we're going to use this in shade brown. We're going to fill these brows in. OMG, this stuff. It for sure stays in place in this hot summer heat. And I'm just using it to kind of fill in the brows that I already have. Not really redesigning new brows because I don't need new brows. I've got them. I just got to fill them in. But if you do find that your brows are sparse, you could use this to line it out. And then you could use the pomade to fill it in if that's the situation that you're in. Okay, so the brows are done. It's really that simple. Just quick little hair lock features, and then this Tattoo Station is like there. It's there for all day, not going anywhere. Okay, so then we're gonna hop in with the Magix dust. I have some new stuff coming. I can't wait to show you guys. We gotta get this done first. So how do you have a schedule that you clean your house? Do you have or do you just do it all in one day? Are you somebody that kind of rotates it out so it doesn't all happen at one time? I used to plan for Saturdays to be my cleaning day, and then what happened was my husband would always want to go do something, and I'm like, oh, I can't get my house clean. So, and it was really easy to have my days scheduled when the boys were in school, and now I don't know if they're ever going to go back to school again, so it's not working quite as well as it used to, except now I can get them involved in the chores and let them be responsible for some of it. And they're helping. They're learning. We're going to use Monopop corals this morning because we want a pop of coral to go with our new top. What do you think? So I'm picking up two colors, these two lighter colors, and we're going to, here we go, cover the lid of the eye. And kind of put a base down. So when you clean house, do you do like a deep clean every day? I don't have time for that business. Like, there's so many people in my house. Okay, we're gonna pick up this color and this color, these two browns, and work that crease with it. And then we'll bring in some of the corals whenever we're blending. So these colors are very highly pigmented, so they're going to put off a lot of color. So be lighter in your application if you don't want quite that much color. My kiddos started summer school yesterday. I'm getting back into the routine. It's hard to clean with the kids at home. Yes, that is the truth. Those kids, man, I feel like as soon as you clean up a mess, they're right behind you making another one. I don't get it. Luckily, we live in the country, so in the morning times, it can be like, go outside and play. They'll go swing. We can go ride the ATV, stuff like that, to get out of the house, because when they're in the house, all they're doing is making a mess. Okay, we're going to pull in those corals now. We're going to pull in this color and this color, and we're going to blend it into your crease. And then you kind of have a little bit of a lighter look. It's so pretty. So pretty. What do you think? So like I said, those colors are really highly pigmented. You don't have to, I'm gonna pull this down just a little bit. You don't have to go as heavy-handed on them as I do. I'm just taking a little bit more of that coral. We're just gonna blend. Well, they're talking in Texas like they don't know if school's gonna start back. So, ugh, that sounds like a dream. Okay, SuperExtend liquid liner. It's my favorite liner. We're gonna line these lashes. Really quick pencil marks. There we go. Of course, my kids are medical fragile, so that's why our pediatrician is not exactly sure that it's a good idea for them to go back to school. Because we don't know what's real and what's not. I mean, if you watch one media source, it's the, like Chicken Little, the sky's falling. And if you watch another, it's all made up. So I don't even know what to believe anymore. It's crazy. Okay, let's curl these lashes and I'll show you the first product. I'm so excited about our new waterproof mascara, and I've kind of been teasing you guys with it, but it launches today on my online store. Love waterproof mascara. It's made with vitamin E oil. It's got conditioner in it. It's going to condition those lashes, and it's going to lengthen them, strengthen them, and help them to explode. We all want exploding lashes, right? Without having to get the falsies. I cannot handle the falsies. I feel like there's something in my eye, like a caterpillar in my eye all the time. Okay, so that's one eye. Let me bring it up just a little for you. No clumps, no flakes. You are going to want a waterproof mascara if you're, remover, if you're going to pick this up, because it stays on. Like even at night when you're going to take your makeup off, you're going to need that waterproof mascara because remover, because that stuff is going nowhere, which is good if you're going to the beach or to the pool. You're definitely going to want that waterproof. There we go. Those lashes are done. Now, let's get into the fun stuff. I'm so excited. All right, so we had a new launch of some new products. So we're going to start with the bronzer. I used it yesterday, so you guys got to be a little bit teased. Look at that pad. It's huge. No, we're not doing that. So this is the lighter shade Morning Sunflower, and it's in the Love collection. So it's also made with the vitamin E oil. It's paraben-free, toxin-free, all the frees. So I'm going to go in, and I'm just going to use a little bit right here to kind of chisel out those cheeks. And then a little bit on the jawline. I'll use just a little bit up here on the forehead. And I'm just barely tapping that. I'm not even picking up very much product because I don't want, you can even do it here if you want. I don't want it to be super dark on my pale complexion. Now, if you have darker skin, you could definitely go in a little bit heavier than I did. Now we have new blush. This is Pink Carnation. So pretty. It's very bold. So the cool thing is if you pick it up on your pad and maybe you get too much, you can kind of dip it in here. So it just takes a dab. You can tap it here if you want to get a little out. So we're going right above where we did that bronzer with that blush. Whoa. I always go heavier on this side. I'm not sure why that is. So we went a little bit heavier than I want. So I'm going to take my beauty blender that I use with my foundation and just soften it up. Just soften it up just a little bit. Now the fun stuff, the highlighter. So we're going to glow a little bit today. Why not? I mean, we don't really have anywhere else to go, but we can glow. So this is the highlighter. This is Fairy Dahlia. There is a darker highlighter if you have darker skin tone. This one is for me, it's the lighter. It's the same color as my skin. It's just going to give a little bit of a lighter glow. So more so going to put this on the places that the sun hits our face. And it's going to give you a little extra shimmer. Girl, you are glowing. Glowing. Okay, we're going to use my favorite birthday balm, which is Surprise. Love it. And we are ready to hit the day. What do you think? Is this a look that you could pull off? Is it something that you would love? Let me get a little bit closer. I'll do a closed eye view here so you can see all the majesty. So I hope that you enjoyed these fun makeup tips. Share them. If you're interested in any of these products, you can reach out. I will help you get fixed up, or connect with your local Avon representative. Sure, she can hook you up too. So thanks for getting ready with me. I hope you have a fantastic day, and share. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.